Namaste and welcome to Simply Simple Cooking, and welcome to the second module of my Learn to Cook series. In this module, I'll be talking a lot about tadkas. Today, I'll be showing you the simplest form of a tadka on a dal. Coming up. In the first module, we were introduced to some basic ingredients, the different pots and pans we require in Indian cooking, different chopping and cutting techniques. Then we also saw how to prepare basic dal rice, a potato curry or batata sabujna, and a prawns curry or Colombi sabujna. But we did all these things without using the quintessential technique called tadka. We will be looking today at this tadka. So what exactly is a tadka? Tadka or tempering is a technique of adding spices in hot oil. It is done basically to extract the best flavor of spices. Tadka, phodni, chonk, tempering, call it what you may. It remains a delicate technique. Add spices in lukewarm oil, they won't sizzle. Or add spices in a very hot oil and they will burn. In a minute, we will see how to get it right. Before we begin, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button if you do like my video. And also consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon so that you never miss a video I upload. Now you can get the entire details of this series on our website simplysimplecooking.net. Now with that out of the way, let's check out the ingredients. So to demonstrate this simple tadka, I'll be doing it on a dal. So I have taken dal. You can always use a leftover dal as well. Then I will be giving this tadka in ghee. So here is some ghee, some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and some curry leaves or kadhi patta. Well, since it's a simple tadka, these many ingredients will do, but you can always play around with more ingredients. Now the best vessel to perform a tadka is a round bottom one like a kadai or handi. In this video, I will be using a handi. It keeps the oil and spices together, which allows for maximum flavor. But if you don't have one, you can always do with a flat bottom vessel. Now, for a tadka, timing is very important. You have to add stuff in oil quickly enough so that it doesn't burn. The best way to do this is prior prep. So take the handi and add some ghee in it. We are not deep frying anything in this, so the ghee quantity should not be too much. You want just enough ghee to let the spices mix in properly. Let it heat so that when you place your hand on top, you can feel the heat emitting from it. Remember, ghee heats faster than most cooking oils. Now add the mustard and cumin seeds and hear them sizzle. Quickly reduce the flame and add the curry leaves. Right after, add the dal. Add salt to taste and let it boil. In around 4 to 5 minutes, it will start to boil. Boil it for another minute or two and then it's done. Now, let's take it off the gas. Here you go. A super quick spiced dal is ready. You can have this with rice or chapati, or even sometimes with bread. So wasn't that simple, guys? Well, the idea here is to not to burn the spices, but also to cook them. This was one of the simplest tadka techniques. I have prepared different dals using different type of tadkas. You can check out the links on top of your screen. Well, in my next video, we will see how to make a sabzi using these tadka techniques. So this was it, guys, from me in this video. I will see you in my next video. Till the time, you keep experimenting with food, share it with your friends, and don't forget to enjoy. Take care.